Oh my god. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got another review for you today. So from my recent video, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here somewhere. I went to City Road in Cardiff and we had Mad Buns, which was fantastic. It's still really good. I still highly recommend it. But we also went to an Asian supermarket called Yongjia Supermarket. I'll put it up there. It's the thumbnail. The name's in the thumbnail. Yongjia, I think is how you pronounce it. And I had a little look in there. So I've got a few things to do from there. So the one I'm doing today, I'm actually really intrigued by. Now this cost me £2.39. And it's a packet of Lays or Walkers. But can you see the flavour? Cucumber flavour. That really intrigued me. £2.39. What do you think? Let's give these a go, shall we? So they have stuck a sticker over it for anyone that is interested. There's some nutritional information there. Most of it is in, I want to say Chinese. Apologies if it's not Chinese. But I think it is Chinese. In fact, I'll tell you now. So I've actually just done a Google image reverse image search. So it is Chinese. I was right there. And it says this is an image shows a package of Lay's potato chips, specifically highlights a secret line emphasizing thinly sliced real potatoes that are thin and crispy with a pure flavor. And then it goes into the nutritional value. So yeah, they are from China. So let's give them a go, shall we? Ooh. I don't know what that smell is. That's what they look like. You know what? They do smell like cucumber. So I've got my own allotment. I grow my own cucumber. And it smells like freshly cut cucumber. That's fantastic. Pull one out, shall we? Oh, they do feel thinner than the ones we get over here in the UK. Right, let's just get a mouthful. Oh my god. Wow. They taste just like cucumber. That's so weird. I rate these £2.39 now. I would buy them again. They're really fresh. They're light. They feel lighter and thinner than the ones we get over here. They're fantastic. They are so good. I find I keep going back for more. They're different from the ones we get here. There's flavour on them and they're full of flavour. They burst full of flavour. But they're not as... I don't describe it. There's not as much flavour. You know that you get the flavour on the crisp? It doesn't feel like that in the hand. They're fantastic. I really like them. They're so good. I definitely recommend them. If you see them, pick them up. They are fantastic. Worth every penny. I'm so excited. I'm talking with my mouth full. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Consider hitting that like button. It does help the channel out. If you want me to try anything or want me to go anywhere, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.